So here is our RAM, 4 gigs, 2 gigabyte sticks, and of course, as I said before, this is DDR3 1600, and I'm going to install it in 2 slots down here. You actually don't want to have these right next to one another for one main reason, and that's because this is dual channel RAM, and so it works best if you have them in well, in different channels. Of course, it's not just any 2 different channels. As you'll see, I have the clips pulled down there. I'm going to put it in the first one and the third one. And then if I ever upgrade it, I'd just fill up the other 2 slots. So I've always loved this feature about RAM installation. You pull down these tabs to open up the slot, but then you don't have to push them back in. You just push the RAM down and they click back up automatically. Sometimes it takes a little bit of force. You don't have to be too shy. There they go. Alright. I'm going to install the video card in that green slot right there. So first I need to remove this bracket so that the output can come out, and I just loosen this with this screw with a screwdriver, and then this bracket pops right off of there, and we don't even need to really keep that, and I'll set it aside, and then I'll pop in my video card and it'll stick out the back of the system there, and of course that's where our monitor is going to hook in. Alright, so the video card just popped right into there, and then there's a little slider there that fastens that into place, just holds it in. Replace the screw right there. And now it's time to just connect everything. I believe we've got it all installed. We've got the processor and the heatsink, the power supply, the DVD burner, our hard drive over here, our RAM, and our video card. And so now I'm going to first connect all of these components to the motherboard, and then I'm going to connect the power supply to all of the components. Now we have everything connected and hooked up to the power supply and the motherboard. I'm gonna clean up these cables a little bit. You can get some tie downs and fasten those down so that they don't prevent air from flowing through there smoothly, and then we'll go ahead and power it on. Okay, everything's hooked up. I've got a keyboard and mouse connected to the front USB ports here. I've decided to hook this up to my TV just to use that as a monitor, because I also need to use the internet connection in this room. So let's go ahead. First time powering on. Hit our power switch here. See what happens. We have a response down there. And looky there. Computer is powering on. Reboot and select proper boot device, or insert boot media in selected boot device and press a key. So what we're going to do is go get the Windows boot disk and stick that in there and boot up and install Windows. Alright, I just put the Windows 7 installation disk into the drive there. Now I will press a key. Alright, it's not doing anything, so I'm going to go ahead and reset. Alright, rebooting with the Windows disk in there. I hear it spinning. And there it goes, Windows is loading files, so now we'll just install our operating system. It's just that easy.